Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up MX records to activate email. Alright, let's begin. First of all, I will add MX records to the domain I purchased from Google Domains. Now, adding MX records will activate company Gmail accounts. Note that without MX records, the company email addresses will not be able to receive emails. So first, log in to domains.google.com. After that, choose Domains on the menu. Simply select the domain name and then choose DNS on the page that appears. Once done, go to Custom Records and leave the hostname blank. For the type, choose MX, enter 310/600 in TTL text field, and then input the following data. As we can see, each MX record includes a priority value. Therefore, it would first attempt to deliver to aspmxl.google.com. If that server can't handle the delivery, it would move on to ALT1, aspmxl.google.com, and so on. So, this makes it easier for new customers to activate Gmail. So that's basically how you can set up MX records to activate email. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.